But anyway po, I know it's kind of late, but I would really like to take this opportunity to, of course, thank PMPC for this award po. But portraying the role of Andrew Cantillana is one of the most important roles I've done in my 15 years in the industry. I would like to thank, of course, the people behind Magpakilanman, of course, Kuya Senny Pique, who's here, my director, Direk Gina, and to all the cast members that was part of that storytelling. This award is not for me. I dedicate this award to those who are experiencing mental health problems. I think mental health is somehow unheard by the society, and the reason why I accepted the role is for me to be able to send a message to all the people who's going to be able to watch that series. Dahil ang mental health po ay hindi biro, hindi siya iniisip lang at gawa-gawa lamang ng mga nakaka-experience nito. Me personally was a victim of mental health issues. And growing up, my mom had bipolar depression, so I knew and I know exactly what it feels like, how it is to live in a household na meron po ganong klaseng suliranin. So with this, I hope that being an actor, I'm just so proud of my job, and I'm sure all of the people who's here tonight, because with our job comes a lot of responsibility, and we are able to send messages from different walks of life. Kaya sana po, with this award, I dedicate this to all the people who's undergoing something in their lives right now. The hardships, the struggles, napakahirap pong kalaban ng isip, napakahirap pong kalaban ng sarili. And I've been there, and I know. So to everyone who's listening to this message, to everyone who has these kinds of problems right now, I hear you, we hear you, and we are here to support and help you the most we can. So para po to sa lahat ng mga taong dumadanas ng mental health issues and mental health problems. And to the Cantillana family, if you're listening and watching this, sinabi ko to before when I did a Facebook live stream for the episode. I'm here for you guys. I know how it feels like, and one way or another, malalagpasan din natin lahat ng to. So this is for you guys. This is for those people that's part of our society. And of course, Lord, thank you so much for making me an instrument to send messages and to be of help to the ones in need. Maraming salamat po sa PMPC, and good evening.
Congratulations, Alden.